What brought me here was alternative to my treatment that I was getting. And 3.5 years ago, I had a stroke and I was paralyzed on the left side.
Mm-hmm.
So we were just looking for some different alternatives.
So what all have you done? Like what's it
Oh my
been?
gosh, it's been amazing.
Yeah.
It really has been. Started out with physicals and then spent the first day here doing the exosomes and just TRT and the cranial release, the TENPAS, the CVAC,
Mm-hmm.
and I have felt much more energy, more
Mm-hmm.
alert, more awake than I have for a long time.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, there have been, we have watched it very closely,
Uh-huh.
and particularly right at the outset, it was kind of a, like you call it, the entourage was more like a barrage of different kinds of therapies. But what we have noted almost immediately was her mental acuity and her clarity and energy level improved dramatically within the first day or so of the initial treatments. We've had kind of been watching over the period since her stroke a little over 3 years ago. She's made substantial progress, but it's been very, very slow and incremental, and occasionally there'll be a surprise movement that she wasn't able to do before. But it happens relatively infrequent now. But since we have been here a little over 2 weeks, we've noted, and we jot down each time it happens, there's a new event, a new thing that indicates there's more ability, less of the muscle contraction that she's been living with, the tone, and relaxation of some muscles, particularly in her lower arm, that she had been rock hard for over 3 years now, and now are relaxed, and allows her much more freedom and more ability to use and manipulate her lower arm and wrist and fingers. So there'll be, I mentioned the other day when I sat next to Rita on the sofa, and Rita just decided, oh, I need to cross my legs. I looked at her, I couldn't believe that she had done that. See,
And the other thing is the balance. It's
Yes.
gotten noticeably better.
yes,
Where I had to look down for every step, now I look around and, yeah, that has improved.
yes, definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A hand.
Show them how much movement you have right now. That's much better than it's been.
Isn't it?
Yeah, it's really starting to improve.
Very loudly.
Yeah.
So, you want to see how much more?
Oh my gosh. Wow. That's a lot better.
It is.
Look at that.
I think you already are used to it. Turn left, deep breath in. Okay, Rita, coming in. Nice and easy right there. Good. Mhm.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
yeah, that was great. What happened this morning?
Oh, I went to open the refrigerator automatically with my right hand,
Uh-huh.
and my left hand just reached up and pulls it open.
Wow, that's moving quite a bit better, isn't it?
Yeah, it
Yeah.
is.
And so,
Opening.
For more information about these exciting regenerative therapies, you can find us at advancedrejuvenation.us. You can also contact us by phone at 941-330-8553 or email us at info@advancedrejuvenation.us. If you found the information on this video helpful, please like us and share us on Facebook. You just never know whose life you might touch. Well, thanks for joining us. And remember, if healing is possible, consider it to be within your reach. Bye for now.